Hello, my fabulous Bring My Artists. Welcome back to art class. Today we are going to make something called op art. You are going to need a small piece of paper off the brown bookcase in the front of the room, and we are going to turn this paper hot dog style. Very first thing you need to do is write your name on the back and then flip it over. We are going to use some rulers today. I will set these rulers out for you to draw some lines. So I am going to take my ruler and I'm going to put it up and down, not side to side. I'm going to put it up and down. I'm going to take the edge of my ruler, line it up with the edge of my paper the best that I can, hold my ruler down, and then I'm going to make a line from the top of my page to the bottom of my page, just like that. Then I am going to take my ruler and try my very best to line it up with the edge of that line, hold my ruler down, and then make a line from the top to the bottom of my page. I am going to do the same thing until I have filled up my paper with lines. So I'm using the edge of my ruler, holding my ruler down with a hand I don't write with, and then drawing a line from the top to the bottom of my page. Hold my ruler down, make a line, hold my ruler down, make a line, hold my ruler down, excuse me, make a line. And then I'm gonna do this until I have made lines all the way up and down my paper. Okay, so I'm gonna do this one more time, hold my ruler down, make a line. And then on top of these lines, I am going to draw some shapes. So I can draw circles, I can draw squares, I can draw rectangles. It's really up to me what shapes I draw. If I know how, I could do a bubble or a block letter on top. If I don't know how to do a bubble or a block letter, I can just draw shapes. I want you to have at least 4 shapes. Now, we are gonna start to color. We're gonna use something called complementary colors today. So I'm gonna use red and green together. I'm going to use blue and orange together, or I can pick purple and yellow together. I'm gonna pick one set of these colors. So you can either use purple and yellow, red and green, or you can use blue and orange together. I think I am going to use purple and yellow together. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start coloring. Now this whole row doesn't have any shapes in it. So I'm gonna color this whole row with my purple marker. But if I look, this next row has some shapes in it. Okay, so I'm gonna color this row a little bit different. Now I'm coloring in a pattern. So if this is purple, this row is going to be yellow, but my shapes are gonna be purple, okay? And that is what op art does. You color in a pattern when you make something that has op art. Now this next row, I'm gonna do a pattern again, but my shapes are gonna be yellow and my line is gonna be purple. So this is gonna be purple, and then this is gonna be yellow. And then I'm gonna do the same thing in my next row, except for the opposite, because I'm doing a pattern. So my row is gonna be yellow, but my shapes are gonna be purple. And then I just keep on going until I've colored my entire paper. So if that is yellow, this is purple. And then my shape is gonna be what? If you guessed yellow, you guessed correctly. If you have a marker that's running out, Bring My Artist, please throw it in the trash can. Don't put it back in the bin, okay? So this next row is gonna be yellow. And then my shape is gonna be purple. And I am just gonna keep ongoing and coloring my art until I have colored my entire paper. At the end of art, you can take these home with you. Okay, whoops, I forgot a little purple shape right there. Okay, so if you get done early, just keep this at your table because you get to take this home with you today. Have fun, Spring Meyer artists.